Welcome to Matt Bajerski YouTube channel. Look what I've got here. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about this right now, if that's okay with you. Wow, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you these one by one, okay, so you can see. Ever seen peach moonstone before? It's a bit of smoky. Like our calcites. You getting bored yet? Ooh, yes. Okay, so there's 23 beautiful spheres there. Here is my full collection of oils, 9 oils. These are my 9 oils. And this is a book called From My Heart to Yours. One of my I think this was the 3rd book I ever made. So, what is this and why have I done this? For some years now, I've been asked to attune to crystals, and it's very rare that I do that because my belief system is that the crystal always chooses you. However, having been asked this for the past 6 months, I've now decided, and I feel I've got a little bit of time right now, maybe in the next 4 weeks, to be able to do this. So how is it going to work? Okay, so within the 23 spheres that I work with, and I always used to work with 3 spheres in my pocket, sometimes 4, but normally 3. The Trinity is the 3. And normally 3 oils, which were, as you can see, my original 3 oils behind you, 1, 2, 3. When I used to go out and do my healing work, if I was working on a child, an adult, a grandmother, a businessman, these 3 and 3 would always come with me. I'd always wear crystals around my neck as well, but I always have the 3 and 3. And those seem to work really well. Now, people have been asking me to choose crystals for them. And I've always said the crystal chooses you, so you'll never be let down. But this is slightly different. This is going to be like, let's say a personalized session. And what do I mean by that? I'll explain. This is how it's going to work. If this feels like a good idea for you, if it's something that you've always wanted, what I'm going to do is I will take your name, and at some point through the day or night, so it could be the morning, it could be in the evening, and there's something about that I'll explain later, that you have to be patient with this one. I put your name in front of me, and I have the crystals and the oils in front of me, and I do what's called the Trinity intuition. It's basically attuning to your mind, body, spirit, mind, body, soul. So how I do that is, first of all, I focus on the crystals in front of me, and I focus on your name, and I start to look inside. So I see your body, and I scan the body. And as I scan it, I look for anomalies or deep issues, traumas, anything like that that need to be healed and resolved. And as that's happening, as I see the trauma or the issue or the block or the negative energy or any dirty energy, I will focus on that, and then that will then allow me to attune to the 23 crystals that I hold. okay? So I first of all go for the mind. So I focus on the mind, anything in the mind, what's going on, and then I choose a crystal for the mind. Then I go to the body. I go to the spiritual body, all the spiritual body, all the physical body, and I attune a crystal for that issue where it may be. And then I go to the spirit of the essence of who you are. What is it you want to improve, grow? This is all about strength. This isn't about weakness. This is about strength. So as I attune to that, I'm attuning to what crystal will blast and strengthen those places that are of weakness or trauma or issue or blocks. Once that's done, I then attune the same three frequencies, the same three thought and feelings towards the body with oil. So I'm looking again at the same energy, and I'm seeing what the oil can be used for in a physical that will help with the emotional, the body, physical, and the essence of the awakening, the spirit connection to the physical body. So everything should align to the oils to help you as an individual grow stronger. So I will choose 3 of the oils out of the 9 oils, and I will choose specifically 3 crystals for you that are going to help you along your journey, both mind, body and spirit. And what accompanies that is this little book. And this little book is just a lovely little book, and each day for at least 1 month I would like you to just simply do this and go to a page and read that page. So this will be a healing kit. This is a personalized crystals and oils healing kit for you. And the message book will just confirm everything as you move along your journey working with the crystals. How do you work with the crystals? How do you work with the oils? This is very simple. Choose the oil of the 3 that you first hold, whether it's only 1 oil that day or all 3. Open it, rub it into your hands, and then ask where you need to go. You will be guided wherever you go with your hands to rub, whether it's your temples, your third eye, your throat, behind your ears, your neck, behind your back, whether it's your heart, wherever. You might go to your solar plexus, you might go to your root, you might go to your feet. Follow that guidance and just rub it there. Then take your 3 crystals in hand. So 3 crystals, you work with 2 in one hand, 1 in the other. Or you can simply put 2 in your pocket and hold 1. As I work with these crystals on myself, if I'm doing healing on myself, I will normally lay 1 or the 3 crystals anywhere around me or on me as I'm doing my healing work. If I'm laying down, I'll normally lay them on me, or I'll lay 1 on me, possibly my third eye, my throat, my heart, wherever I feel, and the other 2 in my hand. So I follow the guidance in that moment. Working with the oils, which are specialized for you, and the crystals, you'll find that through the day you will feel stronger and stronger. The personalized message in the morning is definitely something there in this book to guide you and to help you. So now you've got the oils which are working on a beautiful and healing physical manner. You've got the crystals which are blasting your energy all day long because they're in your pockets or in your hand or by your side or by your computer or by your bed. They're always working with you full time. And this I did many years ago for clients, but now, up to this moment, I didn't have that much time, but I thought I'm going to start to make some time. Now, the reason why I said you have to bear with me and why this is going to take time is because I have work to do through the day. And I don't just want to be just willy-nilly doing it throughout the day. I want to take my time. So if there's 3 or 4 or 5 people who have bought a kit, I will receive those names. And at a certain point in the morning or at night, I will sit down and spend at least half an hour to an hour attuning on you. So I'm going to work with this energy. So it's like a full healing session. So I'm going to attune to you and then say to you, okay, this is the oil that you need. This is the incense. This is the oil you need. This is the crystals you need. I don't want any pressure. I don't want people to give me grief about this. So this is a beautiful thing, and I'm only going to probably do it for a month. Okay, so what I'm going to say to you is this. Please don't be upset if the crystal doesn't get to you in the time of the DHL, which we are including in this price. So the DHL normally takes between 3 and 7 days. But let's say I'm working today and now I have a message in from the girls and it says, you know, Julia has just ordered a kit. Okay, brilliant. I take Julia's full name. I put it in front of the desk here. And when I finish my work and I'm feeling healthy and feeling good, I'm now going to go to the desk and sit and do this healing session. So I basically feel you, I scan you and work on your body like I've just said. And then I will attune to the crystal which is for you and the oil which is for you. Once that's done, the girls get the crystal that I've just worked with, whichever it is. They get the crystal, they get the oil, and then it will be sent to you via straight from me working with it and straight to you. And that's it. That's my, I've been asked to do this ages ago. And I always said no because the crystal chooses you. But I get it. I understand how some people really feel that they struggle to choose crystals and do they trust themselves. I've really tried to give you the confidence to do that. But I do understand when you're not in a good place, when you're feeling down, when you've been abused, when you've got a lot of discomfort inside you, it's difficult. I get it. However, this is an alternative now. So I hope this video serves you well. I hope you like the idea. This is for only certain people who really have been asking me about this. This isn't for everybody because I know that you guys are strong. Most of you are really strong, but some people really struggle through physical, emotional, and really bad traumas that they just don't have the energy to attune. So this is for you. So I thought instead of, you know, saying, you know, I thought 3 and 3 was great. I like the trinity of the threes. So I used to work with 3 oils. I used to work with 3 crystals in my pocket. Makes sense. So that's it. Again, please bear with us once this, it's not really an offer. It's basically a one-to-one session with you, an absent healing one-to-one session with you. Because as I'm attuned to you, I will be sending you healing at the same time. So that's going to be my gift. That little bit is my gift to you. But the oils and the crystals and the book, that's what you'll be purchasing from bajerski.com. Okay, I think it might last for 4 weeks. If it's a little bit too much for me, I might then only do it for 3 weeks. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. If it flows, we never know. It might be extended, but this is for you who've been asking me. Today I had 2 messages. Please, Mark, choose me a crystal, choose me 2 crystals, choose me 3 crystals. Which oil should I use? Well, I'm going to do that now. So I hope you enjoy this. Okay, guys, I'm going to get back to work. Take care.